Hey everyone, welcome back. And today I am taking you through a custom masterpiece right here in Litchfield Park, Arizona. Imagine waking up every morning with nearly an acre of land as your backyard playground and a luxury RV garage for all of your toys and a mother-in-law suite that's perfect for extended family or extra income. This isn't just a home, it's your very own estate. But it's not just about the house. We're here in Litchfield Park, a community that's known for its golf courses, top-rated schools, and that perfect blend of peaceful living and big city convenience. If you've been dreaming of a space that lets you live big, entertain often, and enjoy Arizona living to the fullest, you're going to love this one. Before I take you on a tour, let's talk a little bit about Litchfield Park, Arizona. The area is one of the West Valley's hidden gems, known for its tree-lined streets, community charm, and beautiful golf courses. You're just minutes away from the Wigwam Resort, which is home to 3 championship golf courses, luxury dining, and spa amenities. For families, Litchfield Park is served by top-rated schools and boasts an abundance of parks and outdoor recreation areas. If you love outdoors, you're going to appreciate how close you are to the White Tank Mountain Regional Park, which is perfect for hiking, biking, and enjoying the iconic Arizona sunset. You're also just a short drive from Westgate, where you'll find tons of shopping, dining, and entertainment options, not to mention State Farm Stadium, which is home of the Arizona Cardinals. If you've been searching for a community that offers a peaceful suburban lifestyle with all the modern conveniences just minutes away, Litchfield Park is the place to be. As we approach the property, you'll notice the expansive lot, 0.85 acres of opportunity. The home features a massive RV garage alongside a 2-car attached garage, providing ample space for vehicles, storage, or even a workshop. With no HOA restrictions, you'll have the freedom to make this space truly your own. Stepping inside, the open concept design welcomes you with high ceilings and abundant natural light. The living area flows seamlessly into the kitchen and dining spaces, creating an inviting atmosphere for both relaxation and entertaining. The white oak floors add warmth and elegance, while the stylish fixtures throughout the home showcase attention to detail. The heart of the home, the kitchen, is a chef's dream, featuring granite countertops, custom cabinets, and high-end appliances. It's both functional and beautiful. The spacious island offers additional prep space and seating, making it ideal for casual meals or social gatherings. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, which provides a perfect setting for family dinners or entertaining guests. home includes 3 additional bedrooms, each thoughtfully designed with ample closet space and large windows. One of the standout features is the mother-in-law suite, complete with a kitchenette and a private entrance. It's perfect for guests, extended family, or even as a rental opportunity. The owner suite is a true retreat. This spacious bedroom offers privacy and comfort with large windows that bring in natural light. The ensuite bathroom boasts dual vanities and a separate glassed enclosed shower, providing a spa-like experience right at home. The walk-in closet is generously sized, ensuring ample storage for your wardrobe. The backyard offers a covered patio, perfect for outdoor dining or simply enjoying Arizona's beautiful weather. With nearly an acre of land, there's ample space for gardening, play, or even adding a pool. The property is also zoned for horses, providing additional flexibility for equestrian enthusiasts. All right, that wraps up our tour of this beautiful home here in Litchfield Park. From the open living spaces to the modern kitchen, luxurious owner suite, and expansive backyard, this property truly has it all. If you're interested in scheduling a private tour or exploring more homes here in Litchfield Park and the surrounding areas, I'd love to help you find your dream home here in Arizona. Give me a call or text me at 480-710-7696 or connect with me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with anyone who might be looking for their perfect home. And for more home tours, market updates, and expert real estate tips, be sure to follow me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.